Hello, this video is about Google Sheets. Google Sheets is provided by Google company, and here I am now in Google Drive, and I will start a new Google Sheets from here. And the file will be placed to the folder where I was. First, I will zoom from here, and we can now see more clearly what we are doing. We can move around these cells, for example, clicking by mouse, or then I just will roll these with cursor, and all of these cells, they have their coordinates. For example, this core cell here, it has column letter D and row number 5. So the coordinate for this one is D5. I can type here, for example, plain text, and here we have text, and if I want to change it, I will double click it and I can type more for it, or then I just will click once and I will just change everything from this cell. I can also type here numbers, and with these numbers we can of course do calculations. For example, I have here now 2 columns of numbers, and then I want to calculate. I always start calculations with this equal to sign, and I want to do multiplication, and I will call these cells now with these coordinates. So D6 calls this number 1 here, and then this E6 here calls this other cell here, and now I have 1 multiplied by 3, and I should have here number 3, and that's the case. And now here is this autofill, and I can do this same calculation for all of these rows. Well, I will type now Ctrl-Z, and we will do this other way. Here is this small dot. I can do this copy pasting with this one also, and of course I can do it with copy paste. So Ctrl-C copy and Ctrl-V pasting did the very same thing. Now we can also calculate with these ready-made functions, and as I just typed this equal to sign, now it has this sum function there ready for the use. So this is just adding together these numbers. And here are many ready-made functions. This is just one of them. So this did adding. I would of course do this. Now it successes this average value, but I am not doing that now. I will have just this 3 added to 8 and so on. So this is of course one possible way to do this adding also. But of course it is more quick to use these ready-made functions. And for the last thing for this video, I will change this name of this, and I will have here table 1 as a name. So that was the video about Google Sheets.